Question of the day. Should I get this cocoa miscalu or the sweet pumpkin miscalu? I'm going to do a brief rundown of our schedule today. I'm gonna with my friend and we're gonna check out the flower market, which is in Gosokterminal. I believe this is the biggest flower market in Seoul. Did you know this is the national flower of Korea? It's mugunga. How did they park this car like this? I was worried that it was gonna fall over.
다시 대주세요.
I just met up with my friend, but she's too shy, so today we will just show her back. Going to find the flower market now. 어디 있을까? Okay, so we got lost in the underground, so we decided to come outside and find it. 근데 비가 오는데 꽃 사는 거는 좋은 의미일까? With these flowers, you have to be up really early in the morning. Otherwise, all the good ones are sold out. This flower is called 퐁퐁. It's quite a cute name. 이거 예뻐. 어디 자격이야? 저거 많이 하지 않아? 튤립 어디 있어? This is the true peach color. And this is some lettuce in here. I feel like yellow today. Something like this. 이런 것도 예쁘지 않아? So this plant is called asparagus. And I want to know, is it the same asparagus that we eat? My first purchase of the day is my beautiful yellow heliopsis. 우리는 오늘 하루 종일 이거는 이름이 뭐예요?
과꽃.
네?
과꽃.
과꽃?
과꽃 많이 들어보지 않았어요?
일 가져가면 될까요?
네.
다 된 거예요? 감사합니다. This is 과꽃 and this is what I call holly berries. I forgot the name. We are here at the Jeju table. 맛있어. 오늘 나 복실 완전 머리카락 됐어. 그거 뜯을 수 없어. 내가. So me and my friends, we went for a macrame class, one-day class last week, and she's already bought a book. This is what I want to try making next. This plant hanger, so pretty. Our pasta is here. Is this pasta? Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's delicious. So our omelette is here. Oh my gosh, there's cheese inside. This thing is amazing. Yum. I'm scared. It's raining so much. So glad I have my sandals on today. 있네? 이걸로 끈 만드는 거 아니야? 어깨 끈? So we came here to take a look at all the materials we need for our new macrame project. 색깔별로 이렇게 볼 수 있어서 너무 좋다. So we just finished the shopping for all the macrame materials. Now we're heading over to find some textiles. 이렇게 만들어서 오 마이 갓 언니 여기 완전 예쁘다. I think it'll be so pretty if I mix and match some textile with leather. Bye bye, 동대구. So I'm back in my room. I just placed these newly bought flowers in a vase. It's so pretty. It's adding some colors to my room. Next time you're coming with me, right?
Hopefully.